So that's really the subject that we are debating here on the News Hour. Is there any basis for opposing the Zubin Mehta concert, and are the separatists making much ado about nothing by opposing a musical concert like this? We are in fact joined by Dr. Mehboob Baig, senior leader and member of parliament of the Lok Sabha from the National Conference, Ashok Pandit, filmmaker and social activist with Anand Narsimhan in the Mumbai studio, Zila Khan, Sufi singer live from New Delhi, as well as Junaid Mattu and Naeem Khan from our Srinagar studio. I'll come across to you, Mr. Naeem Khan, first. We heard your reaction over there in that package that we played out. What really is your objection? Is the main question that everybody has on their mind. What is your objection? What objection can you have with a concert?
It's government of India propagating false perceptions about peace in Kashmir. The Kashmir has been turned into a war zone.
No, what is false about?
And the doors of concert.
Mr. Khan, if there is a perception that is being sent out about peace, what is wrong in it? What is wrong in talking about peace? That is what I'm trying to understand.
It's false perception. It's false perception about peace. The real thing
and why
in
do you say
Kashmir
that?
Is right to expression is denied, basic rights are violated, human rights are violated in Kashmir, and there is heavy checking going on around Srinagar and other places in Kashmir. There are arrests.
Mr. Khan, who is violating these rights?
It's a political issue. We want to see. It's the state violating the rights. Government of India violating the rights.
No, I can turn back and say the separatists are also violating rights.
No, basically we are not against music. We are very history about culture, rich culture in Kashmir. But the intentions, what are behind this concert, that's why we are opposing this concert, because this is...
Mr. Naeem Khan, the intention behind this concert is peace. How are you to decide that there is some other intention? Is it not just a desperate attempt to try and stay relevant? Have you become so desperate and so irrelevant in the valley that you are picking up a musical concert to try and show some relevance?
You cannot heal the wounds of Kashmir through music. It's a political issue. It needs a serious.
That is what you are trying to say.
Approach.
But if this is going to promote peace, if this is going to project Kashmir in a positive light, you as a Kashmiri, why do you have a problem?
There are no ifs and buts. These music.
You are raising the ifs and buts. We are stating the facts.
Design.
We are stating the facts. You are raising the ifs and buts. You are the ones who's trying to terrorize the local people, telling them not to attend the concert.
It's not terrorizing. Basically, Kashmiris are against this concert.
Who said Kashmiris are against this concert? How can you speak on behalf of Kashmir when you're not even an elected representative? The Kashmir government is organizing this. They are working with the German embassy. What is your problem? You are the one, you're just creating trouble, isn't it? So that you are there in the limelight, so that you can try and get some more relevance in the valley. That's what it looks like. Because it's a musical concert. It's a musical concert.
I am in your stadium without guns and grenades. We are not creating trouble.
Mr. Naeem Khan, is it a political rally? Is it a political rally? No, right? No, it's a musical concert, right?
Political design.
How do you know it's a political? What political design can there be when the world's famous conductor comes and plays Tchaikovsky and he comes and plays Beethoven? How is there any political design there?
Kashmir, it's an unresolved political issue. You can't heal the wounds of Kashmiris.
What has that to do with violence being played? What has that to do with violence being played? What has that to do with Tumbugnari being played? What has that to do with Sarangi being played? What has that to do with performers being performed in Kashmir? What has that to do with Shamima Deb performing in Kashmir? What has that to do with Raj Begum performing in Kashmir? What has that to do with Kailash Mehra performing in Kashmir? And what has that to do with Zubin Mehta playing the composition of Abhay Sopori in Kashmir? It is the biggest salute to the valley. It's a big salute to the artists of Kashmir. And who? What did Zubin Mehta say? Did Zubin Mehta tell you that I am against the fight of Hurriyat Conference? Did Zubin Mehta tell you that I am not believing in what has happened in Kashmir? Did Zubin Mehta tell you that whatever is happening in Kashmir is wrong? Who? No, the basic.
It's the people
Mr.
coming
Khan,
from outside India and
who
from
is
India here. The
who is
coast
responsible for the
Kashmiri
deaths in
people are
Kashmir?
closed.
Who is responsible for the killings in Kashmir? It is you who have killed people in
Mr.
Kashmir. It is
Pandit,
you
Mr.
who have
Pandit,
raped
don't
people,
use such type of
and it's
media.
you who are using
Don't
guns in
raise your
Kashmir.
voice. Don't raise your voice. It's a serious debate. If you have logic and reason, you can talk.
No, it is.
Our logic
no,
has reason. We are
I'm-
questioning reason behind
Naim
your
Sahib,
logic,
I am a
Mr. Khan.
Kashmiri. I am a Kashmiri and I want Zubin Mehta to play in
You are
Kashmir.
not a Kashmiri.
Who are you?
Left Kashmir way before.
You are responsible. Yeah, but no, you are responsible for my ouster. You have thrown me out of Kashmir. But I will not lose my roots. I belong to Kashmir. I will die. I will die as a Kashmiri. I will die as a Kashmiri Pandit. You are not going to tell me whether I belong to Kashmir or not.
Share the grief and sorrow of
Mr. Pandit,
Kashmir.
But who is responsible for that?
Mr. Mattu,
Kashmir, but you are.
The real
you
point
left
here is-
Kashmir 30 years, 40 years before.
Who is responsible for that, sir? Who is
No,
Let
responsible
us
for
tell you
that?
something else, Mr. Khan. As back as
Mr. Khan, just
1954,
getting
they
you
have
back
said
to this
Kashmir is a
particular
part of
subject.
India and it is a secular state. India is a secular country.
there
What
is
is your
nothing
problem?
wrong.
And there is no referendum there.
And
That's an elected government ruling
You
the
can
state.
hold.
It's
If-
a part of India,
That's
and the
what-
elected government
that's
is
what-
calling
that's
in
what we are
a
saying.
musician
The
to play in
government of
Kashmir.
India is
That's all.
confident that Kashmir is part of India. Let them hold a free and fair referendum in Kashmir.
Why- Mr. Mehboob,
why shouldn't
yeah.
Why shouldn't it be seen? Why shouldn't it be seen, Mr. Naim Khan as well as Mr. Mattu, as a desperate attempt being made, by you, by the separatists, to be relevant in the
These
state
are
of
your
Jammu and
claims.
Kashmir? The fact is that there is absolutely no base to what you're saying. Let's quickly go across to Zila Khan. Zila Khan is also now joining us in this particular debate. Miss Zila Khan, what is your view? My point is, how can music be politicized?
I feel absolutely music has nothing to do with politics. That's the beauty of music and culture, and it is very much, music is very much an integral part of culture. It's not just not cultural, it's very, very, as Shahtoosh and Pashmina embroidery is, as all the beauty and the culture and the crafts of Kashmir is. Kashmir is the Taj of India as far as culture is concerned, and a lot of Sufism starts from there. It's a connecting point of Sufism into India, and we should all be proud. And I would request Mr. Khan, kindly treat this as a platform, in fact, for bringing focus to your Kashmir, our Kashmir. Bring focus to the beauty of Kashmir. If you present it in this kind of manner, neither Pakistan nor India would be so attracted to it. Your attractiveness, your beauty, what Kashmir is the beauty of art and culture. Please retain it. The more you retain it, the more the world will have sympathy with you. Treat it that way.
Mr. Mehboob Beg, what do you have to say about all this much ado about nothing that we are calling here on Times? Actually, isn't it that way? They just want to stay relevant, so they are making, raking up this entire issue about a musical concert that's all about peace and showcasing Kashmir to the world.
No, there are two things. This is simply a musical concert and should be perceived as a musical concert. I don't see anything beyond in this. Something as aesthetic and as cultural as this event is going to be, I think it should have been a welcome thing. Question is, why do we drag this into everything which we want it to drag into? That's very unfortunate. People have political convictions. We can differ politically. You can have your own views. You can have your own convictions.
Yes.
And this is unfortunate that a musical concert can undermine any conviction. I don't see this doing that.
And we should remember that Tchaikovsky and Beethoven are the Ghalibs of the world.
Yes, they are. They are.
Absolutely. This is very painful, and we Kashmiris, we are known for this. We have In every marriage function, we have a special cultural program where we sing. I don't think there is any contradiction between the two, unnecessarily. And prudence demands that it should go on, it should happen. Even if you have different political aspirations, which most of the people in Kashmir have, but it has nothing to do. I don't see this having anything to do with that. This is absolutely a musical concert and should be seen as that. I don't see this undermining any political conviction or any political philosophy. This would be very unfortunate if it's pursued like this. Not only that, it should be left to the wisdom of the people. People will decide it. I think
really
we
about
must
perception.
trust wisdom of the people.
All right. That's exactly the point that is being made. Mr. Junaid Mattu, what is your view on this? Because Mr. Beg has made one thing very clear. Let the people decide what they actually want.
Exactly.
Let me first of all put in a correction before everybody gets their knickers in a knot. I'm neither a separatist, neither, before I spoke, you told the audience what I have to speak
No, you're
about.
the
So kindly
spokesperson
don't
of the
do
Jammu
that. I'm
and
not a
Kashmir
separatist.
People's
I belong
Conference.
Yes, and that's not a
No,
separatist
we are aware,
party.
sir. Yes. Your view, sir. That is why it's more important to
You
know
weren't
your
aware of
view.
that a few seconds ago.
You're a young gentleman. Your view.
All right. Now let me tell you what my view is. I'm not conspiratorial about all of this. We have nothing against music, nothing against this concert either. I have nothing against Zubin Mehta coming and playing in Kashmir or the German embassy organizing a concert here. When I came to this show, the entire city has been barricaded. So if you expect that as a Kashmiri, somebody from Germany will come and play and I will have to be humiliated on my roads for 2 days, will you as a
Look at
Delhi
the man,
accept
look
it?
at the
Will
man
you
to your
as a
left,
Mumbai
Mr. Mattu.
Junaid sahab,
Look at people,
Junaid sahab,
look
who
at
is
people,
responsible for
look
that?
at people like Mr. Naeem Khan and others who are fomenting trouble
Beg
to
sahab,
your left
Beg
for the
sahab,
reason
Beg
why
sahab,
it's being
Beg-
barricaded.
Beg-
They are the ones who have
Beg
called for a
sahab,
band and
Mr.
they've
Mattu,
said
why
that they
don't
will
you
not
ask
allow
the
this concert to happen.
sitting on
And
the
that is
left-hand
why
Arey, sir,
other
if there
people
was no
are having to
band,
face this, and
sir,
that is
if
why others should come out and tell people like Mr. Khan
If there
that this
was
will
no
not be
band,
tolerated in the future.
Mattu sahab, my dear
Let
friend,
me
I just
complete.
want
You
to,
asked me a series of questions. I never interrupted anybody.
I
didn't interrupt anyone. Let me complete. Please let me complete. I heard your questions. Let me complete.
Go ahead.
This concert, had it been a peace concert, I've gone to college in the United States. I have taken a class in classical music. Had this been a concert, a peace concert for the people of Kashmir, it would not be a concert for bureaucrats and friends of ministers and chief ministers or the German ambassador. If it was a concert for Kashmiris where Zubin Mehta would come and play for Kashmiris somewhere in an open park to tens and thousands of Kashmiris, he is not charging any fees for it. Why couldn't this be a very inclusive event?
Dr. Beg?
Why just play for... This is very elitist. It reeks of the British
Dr. Beg, why is this
Raj. What
elitist?
Dr.
That's
Beg
the
is
allegation.
saying, sir, he belongs
is
to a
this
party.
not
He
inclusive?
belongs to a party. He belongs to a party which is very elitist. The Dogra Maharaja left us, a national conference came. Now they want to listen to concerts. We too want to listen to concerts. The Kashmiri orphans might have wanted to listen to it. This is
Why
very
not open the concert
exclusionary,
for everyone,
very
Mr.
elitist,
Dr. Beg?
and it reeks.
That's an allegation.
It reeks of apartheid. And why can't the
No,
Kashmiris
okay,
go
Dr.
9
Beg,
kilometers
your
in the
response
radius of
to that
Shalimar Bagh?
Junaid,
we have been told
Junaid, just hold on. Let's listen to what Mr. Beg has to say.
Because of all these reasons, there is a problem. Some of us, and whether it's a group or an organization, we take it upon ourselves to play, as they say, a friend, a philosopher, and a guide. That's what exactly I am saying. Let's leave it to the wisdom of the people. Let's trust their wisdom, and I'm sure there are people who will decide about it. Let's not do what we are doing to a concert, to a musical concert, which is a cultural. We should be perceived something as cultural and aesthetic.